Pay Per Click, or PPC, is a type of online advertising. Advertisers pay a fee each time someone clicks on their ad. This is a way to buy visits to your website, rather than earning those visits organically through search engine optimization, or SEO. PPC helps businesses reach potential customers quickly. Imagine searching for something on Google. You see a list of results, and some of those results have a small ad label. These are PPC ads. Businesses bid on keywords related to their products or services. When someone searches for those keywords, their ad might appear. PPC is a popular way to advertise online. It allows businesses to target specific audiences, and advertisers only pay when someone clicks on their ad. This makes it a cost-effective way to drive traffic to a website. PPC advertising operates on a bidding system. Imagine an auction where businesses bid on keywords. The highest bidder often gets the most prominent ad placement. However, the quality and relevance of the ad also matter. When someone searches online, the search engine analyzes the keywords and then displays ads related to those keywords. Businesses set a maximum bid, which is the highest amount they are willing to pay per click. The actual cost per click can vary. Several factors influence the cost of PPC ads, including the competition for keywords, the quality of the ad, and the ad's relevance to the search query. Advertisers need to carefully manage their bids and ad campaigns to ensure they are getting a good return on investment, or ROI. There are many PPC platforms available. Google Ads is one of the most popular. It allows businesses to display ads on Google's search engine results pages, or CRPs, and other Google properties. Bing Ads is another popular PPC platform. It allows businesses to advertise on Bing's search engine and partner sites. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram also offer PPC advertising options. Each PPC platform has its unique features and targeting options. Businesses should choose the platform that best suits their needs and target audience. They should consider factors like audience demographics, budget, and advertising goals. Section 4. Benefits and drawbacks of PPC advertising. PPC advertising offers several benefits for businesses. One major benefit is its ability to drive targeted traffic to a website. Advertisers can target specific demographics, interests, and keywords. This helps ensure that their ads are seen by people who are most likely to be interested in their products or services. PPC also allows for measurable results. Businesses can track the performance of their campaigns. They can see how many clicks their ads are getting, how much traffic they are driving to their website, and how many conversions they are generating. This data can be used to optimize campaigns and improve ROI. However, PPC advertising also has some drawbacks. It can be expensive, especially for highly competitive keywords. Additionally, PPC requires ongoing management and optimization. Businesses need to constantly monitor their campaigns and make adjustments to ensure they are performing well. Section 5. Conclusion. PPC, a powerful tool for digital marketers. PPC advertising is a powerful tool for businesses looking to drive traffic to their website, increase brand awareness, and generate leads. By understanding how PPC works, businesses can create effective campaigns. They can reach their target audience and achieve their marketing goals. PPC should be a key part of any comprehensive digital marketing strategy. When used effectively, it can be a valuable asset for businesses of all sizes.